Jimmy here with Youth Truth, and I am going to show you how to interact with cohorts in your Youth Truth reports. Using cohorts is a fantastic way for you to be able to make comparisons to other schools that are similar to yours. You can find cohorts on any page of your report in the top right of your screen. The cohorts bar shows up as a beige line between your percentile charts. If you look here on the screen, you can see this beige line says alternative schools. So what this is showing us is the left hash mark is the alternative school whose students have the lowest rated perceptions of this theme, which is engagement. As you hover over the cohort bar, you can see that the alternative school with the lowest engagement ratings falls in the 4th percentile when compared to all high schools across the country that have taken the Youth Truth Survey. The right hash mark is the alternative school whose students have the highest rated perceptions of engagement in the 100th percentile. And the middle hash mark is the median or typical alternative school in the 79th percentile. These cohorts are interactive. So to change this cohort to a school type that is more relevant to you, click the default cohort button at the top of the page. You will see all of your choices to make different comparisons. For example, maybe I'm a principal at a STEM school. So I'll click on the STEM schools cohort, and you can now see how the beige bar has changed to show you the range and the typical percentile ranking for a STEM school. You can find these cohort comparisons on every page of your Youth Truth report. If I click into percentile charts within each theme, you will see a cohort bar there. And if I click into percent positives, you will see the percent positives for that specific cohort as well. You can use either the default cohort button to change your cohorts across the entire report, or you can also change the cohort for an individual item. And that is how you use Youth Truth's cohorts.